Now again, it's a bit different because now we have positive here and negative here. But don't worry too much about this number, guys, because the first thing you should consider is the factors of this one. Okay, now it's negative again. How do we make negative? Well, we need to have plus and minus, don't we? Plus times negative makes negative. So again, it's going to be one plus and one negative. Okay, again, I'm going to start with my x and x, and then think about 56. I'm going to try to use 7 and 8 again, okay, because that's the one I can think of at the top of my head. And we want, this is plus 1x, isn't it? I know that the difference of these two numbers is 1. So, but this time we need positive 1. How do we make positive 1 with these numbers? Well, I can say plus 8 minus 7 makes plus 1, doesn't it? So this time I'm going to have minus 7 and plus 8. Draw your cross. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. X times 8 is 8x. Negative 7x plus 8x is 1x, or just x, positive x, which is the same as what we have here. I'll rub that off. Yeah, we've got the positive x. So the answer is x minus 7, x plus 8. Okay, remember there's a plus there, isn't it? 12. Okay, again, we've got a plus here and negative here, but again, don't worry too much about this one. Let's find the right factors first and then see if we get that. So again, I'm going to put my x and x on my left. 48, what do you think? Well, I'm going to try and think of some factors. Again, 48 has a lot of factors, yeah? Like, I don't know, 4 and 12 and 6 and 8. But I'm going to actually use 6 and 8 because the difference is 2. And that's what I want, isn't it? But I need to make sure this times this is a negative. It's got to be plus and minus in one of them, isn't it? So how do I make plus 2 with these numbers? Minus 6 plus 8 would be a positive, isn't it? Okay, so plus 8 minus 6 makes plus 2. So that's where I put the negative, that's where I put the positive. If you did what I did before, you'd probably end up with a negative 2, which is wrong. So I'm going to put my negative 6 here and plus 8 there. And then cross it, negative 6, cross it, 8x. Negative 6x plus 8x is 2x, which is exactly the same as what we have here. So our answer is x minus 6, x plus 8, and that's the right answer. So this is your final answer. Okay, so when we multiply those two factors together.